Still chasing trades too late or entering on noise? This simple MACD plus Guppy strategy helps you catch clean trends with crystal clear entries.
Here's what you need. Bollinger Bands to spot price volatility, MACD to confirm momentum, and the Guppy multiple moving averages, GMMA, to filter real trends from fakeouts. For a buy, price breaks above the upper Bollinger Band. MACD histogram turns positive, short-term Guppy EMAs cross above the long-term EMAs. For a sell, price breaks below the lower Bollinger Band. MACD histogram turns negative, short-term Guppies cross below the long-term. It's all about combining trend, momentum, and volatility in one shot. Pro tip: always check higher timeframes first. This strategy works best when you're trading with the overall trend, and never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Stay in the game long enough to win. Want the full template and indicators? Download everything free at forexmt4indicators.com and start trading smarter today.